So you just hate it when your mom writes you things to do, but it's in cursive, and you can't read what anything says. I mean, it says hose blow decks. Don't know what the third one is. And then it's just like, well, I don't know what it says, so how can I do it? And then they get them home and they're like, why didn't you do it? Because I couldn't read it. What up, guys? How you guys doing today? I'm just chilling like a villain. Go back to school in about 4 days on Friday. So yeah, got that. Don't really want to. Rather just travel, but I gotta do it. So went to Best Buy and got this friggin' thing. Don't know if I'm gonna do gameplays or whatever it is, maybe, or if I start another channel for it, or just do it on this channel. But I might dabble in it. Stick my toes into the gaming scene, see what it is, see what it's all about. Yeah. So today is not gonna be a very fun day. Just chilling, not chilling actually. Doing freaking chores all day before I leave for school. So, yeah. Hopefully I don't run out of gas in this power washer, but let's go blow some decks. Holy crap, it is hot out today. Well, more humid than hot. And I will bet you anything that this power washer is all the way in the back of my shed. Let's see. Oh, not that far in. Right over there. I do not want to get this thing out. That wasn't too bad at all. Just had to take out these three things, lawnmower, and a weed whacker. Thought it was gonna be a lot harder than it was. I do not want to take this snowblower out though. Oh, F that shit. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing started first try. Hell yes, 3 tries. Just finished power washing the first deck. Oh, look at this thing. This thing looks beautiful compared to what it looked like before. Minus the freaking weeds growing through it and whatnot, but you know, I should just start a power washing business because I'm just that good at it. Just kidding, I suck really bad at it. Got the deck all power washed, and right now I'm currently looking at some spring break stuff. Whoa, sorry. Trying to go to Cancun for spring break. Let's see, we'll see how this goes. Not sure what I'm doing right now, so hopefully they tell me or something like that. I don't know. We'll see though. Hopefully I don't F this up. Got ourselves a pretty romantic sunset tonight. some pizza. My pizza. She's not eating. And if you guys can hear the freaking windmill over here. How annoying is that?
I actually thought it was a
What up? So I'm gonna try to set these things off right there. Let's see if it works though, because it is really windy out tonight. And yeah, but I have high hopes up that it will. Oh, maybe I'll launch out of this contraption. I don't even know. What are your thoughts?
About fireworks?
What's up, you weirdo? Next time don't piss over by the fences. Thank you very much. I doubt you guys can see this, but there's a freaking skunk right there. Ugh. I am not trying to get sprayed by that thing.
Jesus.